Two streaming giants, two totally different experiences. Which one really delivers? On the left, Max, home to all the HBO brilliance and much more, all on demand. And on the right, YouTube TV, the live TV platform reinventing cable with 130-plus channels and unlimited DVR. Let's skip the hype and break down what truly matters. Every category counts, and we'll give points where they're due, so you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The final result in 2025, it might just surprise you. So here's how we'll roll. Think of this like a streaming showdown mind map. We're digging through 6 major categories: price, content offering, device support and user experience, DVR and offline viewing, multi-user and parental controls, and bundling and add-ons. It's a lot, so buckle up. Let's jump into the first round. All right, kicking off with price because, let's be real, everyone's wallet is crying at this point. So Max rocks with a super affordable $9.99 a month if you don't mind ads, or $16.99 for things totally ad-free. No contracts either, which is like a relief. Downside? Yeah, there's no free trial, and live TV doesn't exist here. On the flip side, YouTube TV goes full cable mode, but oof, $82.99 a month base price. That's a serious chunk of change. But you do get a 7-day free trial and a massive lineup. Over 130 live channels, tons of locals, tons of sports. Seriously, everything. Just remember, any add-ons, and yes, Max itself, will bring that price up even more. So who grabs the win here? Honestly, Max takes this. Pure affordability all day. Let's talk content offering, because, what's the point of streaming if you're just staring at a blank screen? Max is the prestige TV beast. Think Succession, Game of Thrones, The Last of Us, so many originals, plus a wild movie library. I mean, if you want cinematic glory and legendary drama, Max is stacked. The catch? You're totally skipping live TV, so no sports, no news, nada. Now, YouTube TV, you're getting a buffet. Local networks, cable staples, live sports, NFL, NBA, MLB, college stuff, all right there. Plus, on-demand content in the big networks: ESPN, ABC, Fox, CBS. Downside? The premium shows and movies, like those on Max, yeah, those will need extra cash. But honestly, pure content spread, YouTube TV edges it out. Too much live goodness. Moving on to device support and user experience. Okay, Max runs smooth. It's everywhere. Smart TVs, phones, tablets, browsers, the works. Super simple interface focused on movies and series. Very chill. But here's a quirk. You get 5 profiles, and there's no classic channel guide since, well, no live TV. Now, YouTube TV, this is almost overkill. Works on basically every gadget you can imagine, gives you up to 6 profiles and, 10 home streams at once? Huge if you've got a big household or everyone wants their own thing. You get a full channel grid, live guide, even multi-view, watching multiple games at once. Only catch, the guide might feel a bit too busy, and setup's a tad trickier. In terms of features, YouTube TV just flexes harder, so it's the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know YouTube TV was actually the first major service to offer unlimited cloud DVR to all users when it launched in 2017? Yep, total game changer for binge recorders. Now, let's chat about DVR and offline viewing. For Max, if you're ad-free, you can download stuff offline, which, not gonna lie, is sweet for travel. But since it's all on demand, there's no need for a DVR. And no option for one anyway. Meanwhile, YouTube TV's big flex is unlimited cloud DVR. Literally save any show or game that airs. Recordings last 9 months, and you can watch anywhere. So yeah, it's totally next level. Minor catch. Some save shows might only let you rewatch with on-demand restrictions. Still, for actual recording and replay, YouTube TV runs circles. It's not even close. How about multi-user and parental controls? Max sticks to 5 profiles, which is fine for most families. You can set up kid profiles and pick out curated stuff, but it's not super deep on the restrictions. Now, YouTube TV is built for bigger crowds, 6+ profiles, personalized picks, even lockouts for kids so your 6-year-old doesn't end up binging The Sopranos. Parental controls here are way stronger. Setup can be a headache if you're totally new, but you get way more control. No contest. YouTube TV wins this one hands down. Bundling and add-ons is kinda wild these days. So with Max, you get options. Added on to Hulu, Disney+, Prime Video, even YouTube TV itself. Or grab it as a standalone. So flexibility, yes. It's always the same price wherever though. And don't expect a mega in-house bundle with live TV. YouTube TV is king of a la carte. Add Max, Stars, whatever you want, and build your own monster package. You can bundle some, but oh man, if you're not careful, that price will get insane fast. Honestly, with both offering solid options, just different flavors, this one's a draw. If you're looking at the full radar chart, Max totally slays on price and on-demand prestige, but YouTube TV is that all-in-one powerhouse. Live content, multi-user support, and next-level DVR. You can totally see where each one spikes. So, you know what? If your vibe is watching the best movies and series at a wallet-friendly price, Max is seriously the move. But if you want to say goodbye to cable, keep up with all the sports, news, and live TV chaos, and get features for the whole crew, then YouTube TV's pricey, but honestly unbeatable for families and TV junkies. If you found this comparison useful, make sure to follow us for more streaming info and hot takes. See you in the next break.